Sound Class 8 Chapter 13 Third Part Ultrasonic Vibration. Children, we already learned about ultrasonic vibration. These are the vibrations of frequency more than 20,000 Hz. Now these are very high frequency sound, and for example, first dogs can hear up to frequency of 40,000 Hz. Monkeys, deer, cats, porpoises, and leopards. They can also hear ultrasonic sound of frequency up to 50,000 Hz. Now, porpoises, these are mammals with a round snout. And the third one is the frequency range of vibration produced by bats. This is 50 Hz to 80,000 Hz. The eyes of bats are very weak. While flying at night, bats produce ultrasonic vibrations. When these vibrations strike the object, they are reflected back. When this reflected sound hits the bat can easily locate the object and catch its prey. Children, you are seeing pick bat search their prey in the darkness of night by producing ultrasonic vibration. Ultrasonic squeak of the bat strike the prey and get reflected, and this is sensed by the bat, so they locate the prey and catch it. Dolphins and whale family also use ultrasonic sound to locate their prey underwater in the similar way as the bats do in air. So whales use infrasonic sound to communicate and ultrasonic sound to trace prey. Now, uses of ultrasonic vibration in industry. Ultrasonic vibration are used for making images of internal organs of the human body. They can be used to study the growth of fetus in the mother womb. Children, you have listened about ultrasound. Ultrasound means they are using ultrasonic vibration for making image of internal organs. The image this can be shown on the monitor, and this help to study the growth of the fetus in the mother's womb or any abnormality in the human body. So this can be shown by the ultrasound. Now this point 2. In dishwashing machines, water and detergents are made to vibrate with the help of ultrasonic vibrators. Thus, vibrating detergent particles rub against the dirty utensils and clean them. Ultrasonic vibrators are used to drive rats and cockroaches away from godams. Ultrasonic vibrators, if the rats and cockroaches are there in the godams, then ultrasonic vibrators, they are used to drive away rats and cockroaches. Now explore a special instrument called a Gatton whistle, which produces a sound of about 25,000 Hz frequency, is used to call dogs. And this sound cannot be heard by human beings. So this cannot be heard by human beings because it is ultrasonic sound. It is more than 20,000 Hz frequency. We can make use of ultrasonic vibration for homogenizing the milk. By use of these vibrations, large particles of fats present in milk are broken down to smaller particles. Ultrasonic vibrations are given to the patients to relieve from pain in joints and muscles. Stones in kidneys can easily be broken down into fine grains by making use of ultrasound. So these days there is no need to operate the kidney for taking out the stones.